Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Claim What's Yours. Today I'd like to talk to you about your short-term personal or commercial insurance policy and the ongoing onus placed on you to keep your insurers informed of the material changes in your life circumstances. So at the time that you place your insurance cover with your FSP or broker or with a direct insurer, the information that you provide the insurer at the time that you're placing the risk is 100% correct. All the information you give them, they accept and agree, and you agree because that was your circumstance at the time. So when you spoke to the insurer, you said to them, yes, I am the only driver of this vehicle. The insurance company says, that's fine, thanks. We're going to make a note. The named driver of this vehicle is Joe. And my vehicle is parked in this particular area, so it's parked in an estate, or it's parked under a carport, or it's parked inside a locked garage, and at that time, that is correct. You also use it to drive to and from work only. There's no other activity involved. So now your life changes. Things happen. Things get better. You've now got a partner, and your partner's driving your car. Or your brother's visiting you from the States, and he wants to go to the Kruger Park, and you said to him, sure, take my car. It's high. You'll be able to look over the grass. You can see the animals. And your brother drives the car. Unfortunately, he has an accident, and you report the accident to your insurer, and the insurer says to you, but Joe, you told us that you're the only driver, so we put you on as a named driver. Never updated us. And the same with the location of the vehicle. So you moved from a low-risk theft area to a high-risk theft area. Or you moved from a low-risk hail damage area to a high-risk hail damage area. So where the vehicle is parked is now material. Can it be stolen? Do you park it on the street? Can it be stolen? Can it be subject to hail damages? And also, what are you using the vehicle for? At the time you placed the cover, you told them, I'm using it to drive to and from work only. But as things change, you've got a little side hustle, and you're now doing a little bit of business here and there. You're picking and dropping toner cartridges, or you're doing something to make some extra money on the side. And unfortunately, you have a claim, and the insurance company says to you, but Joe, when you spoke to us, you told us you're only driving to and from work. But now we see that your vehicles, you were on the road at an unusual hour and you were doing work-related stuff. Unfortunately, when you spoke to us, that's what you told us. So we encourage you to make sure that when there are any changes in your circumstances, your personal life circumstances, that you phone your insurer, and your insurer has to take your instruction. So if you phone them and say, look, I'm no longer the only driver and I've got a partner, I would like her or him to be able to drive my car, they have to accept it. They may charge you an extra £5. And if they say to you, no, we're not going to accept it, Joe, because we only like you, Joe, and we're not insuring anybody else, well, then go to another insurer. And the same with the use of your vehicle. Confirm to them what you're doing with the vehicle, where it's parked, because some insurers make that material. So, once again, just to summarize, please make sure that you update your insurer with your personal life changes to make sure that you get what you claim for. And if you'd like to know more, like, subscribe, and send us an email.